Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is João, and for those who do, well, buckle up, because boy, I have news for you. Johnny here is going to start to learn how to ride a motorcycle, and I'm going to capture it all on camera. So, fair warning, I'm 36 years old, and I have never, ever ridden a motorcycle. So where to start? Of course, find myself a riding school, right? Well, kinda. So I was expecting something more like this, and I ended up with something like that. I'll start my riding lessons at ENDURO CODE Racing School. You heard it right. I'll leave the description down below so you can check it out. Don't believe me? Hell, I didn't believe until I got there. So, enough chit-chat and let's get on to the video, okay? So, roll the clip. How sick was that? Come on, honest. Big shout out to Master Paulo Melicias for his guidance and patience and all the team at ENDURO CODE. And that was it. My first hour ever riding a motorcycle. Let me know how was your first experience. Drop it down in the comments. I'll make sure to read and answer as much as I can. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll have them on a weekly basis, and I hope to see you soon. Go out there and get dirty.